Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Poorva, and as I promised you, I will be doing another video of eyeliners by Faces and different other brands which I have, and I will review and swatch them for you. So before moving into the video, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. This is the liner from Sephora. So whenever I want to do full makeup and I want to brighten up my eyes or to make my eyes look big, I use this shade. This is in the shade Infinite Beige. Yeah, this is how the color looks, and this is just to apply on my waterline. So I had taken this from Sephora. Moving forward, I have this one from Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil, and this is in the shade Lustrous Sapphire. Oh my god, this is again one of my favorite colors. I'm not much of a liquid eyeliner person. I prefer pencils, and especially these kind of pencils which give the complete effect like of a liquid eyeliner. And this is again so creamy, so it glides so smoothly and is highly pigmented and very intense dark as well, and I like this color. So if you are a person who likes to experiment with the eyeliner colors, then definitely you can go ahead with this color. Again, this is by Maybelline, and it is very soft, very much pigmented. And then I have this Kohil pencil. Yeah, so this is by Lakme, and again this has a smudger on one side. It's not a very dark kajal. If you are looking for a smoky eye, you can just apply this as an eyeshadow base and for smoky eye effect, but this is not a very intense kajal, and yeah, that is okay eyeliner for me. And moving ahead, this I have from Sugar. So as I told you, I'm not much of a liquid eyeliner person, so I bought it, but then I don't use it much frequently. So this is a liquid eyeliner, and again it has a very sharp tip. You can just apply a winged eyeliner very perfectly with this, and it is a very intense, very dark kajal. I like Sugar products a lot. They are me. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this color in my last video of L'Oreal and Color Bar eyeliners. So this color is one of my favorite. I was keeping it in my handbag, and this is in the shade True Teal, and it is completely a true vibrant color. So it's a pretty turquoise color, and it is so pigmented. It's so smooth, it's so creamy, and I'm in love with this color. So if you are looking for a lot of color range plus a very dark intense liner, you can definitely give Silky Smee range from L'Oreal a try. And yes, look at the color. I mean, this is so nice, so vibrant. I love Faces, and I have so many Faces eyeliner. So I started using Faces liner last 2 years back, and then ever since I tried the Faces liner, I fell in love with those liners, and I bought so many of them. So this I have long wear eye pencil solid black, then again long wear eye pencil solid black, and then this is black sparkle, and this is again a solid black. So okay, so just let me take two sticks. So again, on the packaging front, these are the wooden sticks. Again, you need to sharpen this eyeliner pencil. These are so dark, these are so pigmented, and if you like dark eyeliners, this is the one for you. So I will swatch this for you. So this is how the eyeliner looks, and this shade Black Sparkle, so you can see glitters also, a little glittery particles also. And if you like black and little glitter, so this is the perfect eyeliner for you. You can go in the shade in the color Black Sparkle. So I use it quite often whenever I need a little sparkle and dramatic look. I use this liner. So again, this is very pigmented. Coming on to the colors solid black, these are very dark. Oh my god, these are again just like liquid eyeliners. So in my last video where I had swatched L'Oreal range and Color Bar eyeliners, so I love L'Oreal Infallible Silky Smee, and then this is the one which I completely love. and you can see this is so dark, so intense. And I would suggest whenever you use this eyeliner, just wait for 2 minutes to just like allow eyeliner to settle into your eyes, and you just open your eyes. It might just crease on this area, and you can see eyeliner transferred onto the other parts. So yeah, that is just a suggestion. You can just wait for a minute or two just to set, just to allow it to set, and then you are good to go completely. I hope you like the collection, you got some information. So if you found this video helpful, please do comment and subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button there. And please comment, please like, please share, and please let me know which is your favorite eyeliner. So I will be back with my next video very soon. That's all for this video. This is all what I had to show. Faces, Maybelline, Sugar, Lakme, L'Oreal, Sephora. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and comment below what are the other videos you would want me to shoot for you. So I will be back with my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.